Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Curt from Stronger 90, and I just completed Wendie's Ideas to Action Accelerator about a week ago. Y'all, I've taken more action since completing her accelerator than I have in the past couple of months. Taking Wendie's accelerator not only gave me the tools to get clarity for my vision of a better future in my business, but it also for the areas that impact my life. It's amazing when your priorities are not in conflict with each other and when you can see how they all can work together. Wendie's approach to idea surgery and mind mapping helped me visualize the areas of my life that are important to me and to assess where I spent most of my time, which led me to shift away from the areas that were out of alignment. I don't know if you can relate, but I found out that I was busy with a lot of things that I just didn't really need to be busy with, just because I thought those things would make a bigger impact than they actually do. If I could sum up the biggest impact it's made for me personally, Wendie's Accelerator gave me the clarity of who I serve and what's important and how to align my purpose with my actions. I highly recommend the Idea to Action Accelerator to anyone who feels stuck in their life or feels like different areas of their life are in conflict with each other. Have a great day, y'all.